everybody, it's Crazy Nick, and today I'll be doing another video of Star Wars Commander. So, anything? No? I'm preparing for war, so I've set my little speeder bikes only, please. Speeder bikes are so good at defense. Like, they will kill anybody. To my knowledge, at least. So, is this base okay? Yep, I could do this. I'd have to take down the mortar, but other than that, let's put 2, 3 here. Then let's put the rest of them over here. Well, that was sort of a fail. I didn't mean for them to go over there. I could put that here at 3. Any traps? No traps. Oh, destroy 10 out of 10 turrets. Well, okay. That was easy. The mortars will kill my medic droids, and that's what I'm a little worried about right now. Actually, I'm not just a little worried about it. I'm quite a bit worried about it. Come on. Yes, no. Took down none of them. Good. If all of those over there are gone, then I can put some stormtroopers here to, just kind of clean up the base and do some work. So that way we don't have to run all the way back over there. So I think we should have this one wrapped up. As long as my AT-AT is smart enough to get the HQ, which I hope he is. Yep, he is. Okay, so I think we have this one pretty wrapped up. Unless there's any outside buildings. There are not. The scout troopers are really good at, I put 2 scout troopers because when there's resource buildings low level, I can easily get rid of those so I can get a 3-star win, which it seems like I'm gonna get a 3-star win right now. Boom! That was successful. So oh, and I upgraded my AT-AT to level 3 while we weren't doing anything. Well, I wasn't making a video. But I was upgrading it to level 3, so my AT-AT is pretty strong. Oh. Just a second. There we go. So this army configuration is working out pretty good for me. And if you're like a level 4, or if you're level 4, well, you kind of have to be a level 5 HQ. If you're a level 5 HQ with 52 unit capacity, then you can put in 10 dewback riders, 3 medic droids, an AT-AT, 2 scouts, a shock trooper if you've unlocked it. If not, then you can put in 5 scouts, and then 5 stormies. Stormies is like, I like to make stormies the short version of plural for stormtroopers. But yeah. And then if you have 4 more unit capacity, you can add 1 dewback rider, 1 more dewback rider, and you can just make whatever you want. But it's a good strategy for me. So I'll fast forward. Okay. Anything? Ooh, speeder. I will open those 2 crates at the very end of the video. How about that? Let's see, what do I have? That's okay. speeder bikes only, please. I keep having to say that, but nobody listens. This is like a terrible squad. Nobody ever listens. So sad. So I'm waiting. Okay. The mortar is the problem here. The level 4 mortar, the level 4 mortar will destroy me. Especially when it's under a seal generator. Well, we may be having a level 5, 2 level 5 mortars under a seal generator. Wow. Well, I'll just be waiting forever and ever. Okay. Yep, the mortar is outside, so it will be easy to take out. Let's see. I'll put those there, plus that. Any traps? No traps, I think. I wasn't quite looking if there were any traps. So mysterious, I know. I'm waiting for I think the name of the movie is The Peculiar Child. I really want that to come out. Cause it seems like really cool, like he has like special powers. If you watch the ad for it, yeah. The Peculiar Child. The Peculiar Child seems really cool. So, I mean, I'm just waiting for it to come out. These seem to be doing pretty good so far. Yep, they're doing pretty good. Oh, whoa. That is not fair. Ouch. Really? At least take down that last turret for me. No, you won't. Okay. Then, how about this? I'll put you right there. Really? That misses the... Please say that doesn't miss. Really? That's just... At least I got 1 star. Right? At least. Why? Why do I never have a single thing in my squad center? Well, okay, fine. I have stuff in my squad center. But everybody else that I face have units in the squad center. It's just not fair. Clearly, it's not fair. But, I mean, not much I can do about it. Oh, well. So, yeah. I was thinking for this last match, I can do a heroic defense. Oh, wait, I said I would open these. Even though it's not the end, I might as well just open them, right? 4 crystals. And this is 32,000 alloy, which I don't need. It's Rancor Monster Week, so I'm gonna, why did that not go there? I don't care, and I don't know. My dog's in the background barking and patting her feet all over. And now she just went out of the room. I love the animation of the Rancors. I'm saving my heroes for when, the big guys, the Rage Rancor comes in. That's what I'm saving him for. Well, I might as well put them in now so we can destroy some of the rancors and hopefully still keep these heroes alive, even though I'm, using my heroes and the rancors are banging at them. Okay, that worked out. I'm waiting for the rage rancor to spawn in and kill us, and we'll have a happy day. Most likely we won't, but, either way. Where's the rage rancor gonna be spawned in? Spawned. That's even correct. That's not even correct grammar. Oh dear. This is very bad. Okay. I can do an okay British accent, but I don't really. Yeah. This actually may turn out good if we can destroy him. Why is he walking right past me? Yay! Oh no, he's not walking right past me. He's actually trying to take. Oh, now you change targets. What? You are one very weird person. Well, I think that's 3 stars for us. Please, yes, we got 3 stars. Well, that was actually good. They didn't get a single star, which was good. And those are level 5 rancors, especially the rage rancor. That's just impressive. Now, yes, can I get any rancors? Okay, good. Please, let's get some rage rancors. 15 shadow rancors. How many shadow rancors do I even have now? Whoa. That is not good. I don't know why it's not good. Anyway, hope you've had a nice time watching my video. Please subscribe, like, favorite, share my videos, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.